Hey everybody, Stu here with Ukulele Zen. In this video lesson, I'm going to teach you some jazz licks for the tune All of Me. I'm going to teach you some swing ideas and soloing concepts, and also demonstrate just how amazing the Vidami video looper is. This thing lets you keep your hands on your instrument while your feet loop, slow down, rewind, pause, play the video, and it has really impacted my learning in a big way. I've toured the world with concerts and workshops, and I'm offered a lot of opportunities to represent different products. I almost always turn them down because I don't want to turn this channel into a big commercial. But this is different. This pedal will really jumpstart your learning. Whether you're learning music, whether you're learning to knit, use watercolors or oil painting, the Vidami video looper is an amazing pedal. So if you want to check this out, there is a link below. If you use that link to buy it, I would really appreciate that. It helps my family out just a little bit. You hear that screeching? Their 10% discount code has been extended indefinitely. So the good folks at Vidami are extending 10% off to you till the end of time, I think. So check out the link below, and I hope it serves you well. Let's get into some jamming. So now with my hands on the instrument, I'm going to start the video. You took the part that once was my heart, so why not? Now I'm going to start the loop at the first lick. Here it comes. 1, 2, 3. Now that's what I want to learn. So it's going to keep on looping. And I can slow it down to 75%. I'm going to slow it down to half speed and check out what's happening. Now at any time I can stop the video and just learn it on my own. Then press play again, see how it's going. If you're still watching this video, you are about to be rewarded. I'm going to show you up close each one of these licks so you can really get them into your playing. The first lick begins with that C major chord. We're going to strum, pull off, pick, pull off, pick, slide, strum. If you had the Vidami, you could of course loop that. I didn't plan this. This was just off-the-cuff improv. It's vocabulary that I've learned so I can access it anytime I'm over a C chord. If I'm finished with that section, I could clear the loop by holding down the loop button and then moving on through to the next lick just at the same half speed. And we're going to learn that one next. Now, if you want to go even deeper, I'm going to be breaking down the entire solo as I played it with some cool variations and music theory lesson. So click the link below to learn all about that. It's at my Patreon page. Thanks so much for your support. Now we wanted to get that E7 lick, so I'm going to click the back button 5 seconds each time, and let's see where we're at. I'm going to start the lick right before E7. Notice I'm still at half speed, but I can go through all the different speeds really slow, all the way back to standard speed to 75, but I'm going to keep it at half speed, and let's learn this together. You can see I'm starting on the E7 chord, then I move up to a diminished chord. I just use my big toe to stop the video so I can show you. Next chord, we move to E7, and we're keeping that pinky right there in that C note. And then we slide down all the way up here to the 4th fret. Notice how my first finger leads, and the rest of the chord is an embellishment of that E7 chord. 4th fret, 4, 5, 4, 5. And I'm just embellishing it by going down 1 fret. Let's play the whole thing together. It might take a sec. And here it is again. Excellent. And you know, know, if I wanted to clear out all the settings, I just hold down the play button and it clears out everything. That little X means the speed I've chosen, the loop section I've chosen is all done, and now I press play and I'm just watching the video. And that's the next section. So I'm going to go back 5 seconds to grab that. Here it is. And let's see what I looped. Play a little slower. How about we do halftime? Little lick there over the D minor chord. So now I've stopped the video so I can show you what I'm playing. The next chord, leave the pinky there, and you're going to play this shape. 2, 4, 3, 5. That's an A7 with a suspended fourth. Move that suspended fourth down. Slide that pinky up. Slide it up again. Yes, this looks like an F7 chord, but it's up here. A7, 6, 7, 5, 8. Back down. And then a quick strum of D minor bar chord. And the arabesque Django Reinhardt lick. Something like that. Make it different each time. But the notes we're playing with are from a D minor scale. Pretty close to what I recorded, and of course this is improvised music, so we don't want to be locked into just one way of playing it. Here it is from the beginning. 2, 3, 4. Now we went to E7. And then thank you so much for hanging with this video all the way to the end. I hope you enjoy playing these licks, and if you wanted to pick up the Vidami Video Looper, it is really a game changer. Check the links below. That 10% discount code and the link to purchase are in the description below. Thanks so much. Wishing you all the best. Stay healthy. Keep on jamming.